Hello, my name is Monica. I came to the clinic in November 2017. I was looking for options. I had a denture and I was going to go for implants and get another price on bridging. And when I went over what I could afford or whatever, I discovered, okay, maybe I'll stick with a new denture. I saw Dr. Sanfey and she took a look and she said, yes, we could run with a new denture. And I was apprehensive about it because I thought maybe, oh my goodness, it's going to take me such a long time to get used to this again. But I gotta say, from day one, you know, with her and Christina, they were absolutely wonderful, both of them. They just knew exactly what I wanted. And within no time I had a new denture made. The day I left here with a denture, I've never looked back. I haven't had a visit back. I've been able to speak perfectly with it. I just has changed my life and my smile, and I just feel so much more confident, and I couldn't recommend Dr. Sanfey enough to anybody out there that has problems with teeth or even nervous about a denture. As I said, it was the last thing in my mind coming in. I thought maybe I'd have implants and other options, and was a bit nervous about getting another denture, but I honestly never looked back, and she's been wonderful.